Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Accidental Beauty. I'm Laura, and today I'm going to be giving an update on my Project Pan. So I've been doing Project Pan for a month now, and I'm finding it challenging, but in a good way. It's definitely helping me change the way I think about my makeup collection, and I'm definitely noticing what colors I like to use, what colors I don't like to use. I'm learning there are some colors that I didn't think that I'd like using that I actually kind of like a lot. So I guess I'll divide this video into two sections. Number one, I have the products that I'm consciously trying to pan, which I mentioned in my last video. And then I also just have products that I use sort of in my regular routine that I've used up recently that I'll also talk about. So first off, I guess the first product that I'll talk about is one of the ones that I mentioned in my first Project Pan video. So one of the palettes that I'm consciously trying to pan, I hit pan on one of the shades, so that's really exciting. I hit pan, I think last week, so I'll just show it. The second pan from the top, the light green shade, I hit pan. That was really exciting. I was actually in the middle of filming a video that didn't end up working out the way I hoped it would, but it involved using a lot of eyeshadows, and thanks to that, I hit pan. So that's really exciting. I think I'm still gonna try and incorporate this palette into looks that I do, at least for the time being. I'll see if I can hit pan on some of the other shades and then I'll decide what to do with it. It's a nice, very neutral palette. I obviously am not a very neutral person, but it's good for occasions where I need to be a bit more conservative, a bit more neutral in my look. So I'll keep this for now, but really exciting that I hit pan on one of the shades. And then I also, while I'm in this section of the video, I guess I'll have like an honorable mention. So it's not one of the palettes that I mentioned in the last video. This is my BH Cosmetics Modern Mattes palette. I use this in practically every video. So just an honorable mention, I hit pan. I don't know if you can see it very well, but I hit pan on this green turquoise shade. There's like a little mark towards the top, like right there, and that's where I hit pan. So that's super exciting. I'm actually wearing pretty much all the cool tone shades at the bottom, except for the gray and black on my eyes today. So I have a separate video where I show how I created this look. It's the Google Picks My Makeup Challenge, and I'll leave a link for that. You can check it out there. So that's the only of the products that I mentioned in my first Project Pan video. The Revlon palette is the only one that I've actually hit pan on so far. All right, so moving on to the Empties. So I finished up this tube of L'Oreal Voluminous Miss Manga mascara. It's pretty much dried up, so it doesn't really, when I use it, it doesn't really do anything, so I figure it is probably dry. But I have another tube of it because I like the formula. It's nice. It's very lengthening. It's very voluminous. It's pretty much, it does exactly what it says. So I'm glad I have a backup, but I'm finished one of the tubes. And then I mentioned this product in my La Roche-Posay video. So this is the Nutritique Intense Riche. That's just the moisturizer from La Roche-Posay. This is actually the second jar of it that I finished because I had another jar of it before. And I've got three other moisturizers that I've been using that I really like, that I'll probably talk about in another video. So I can get rid of this to sort of clear up space for my other moisturizers. And then lastly, so this is the Benefit Moisture Prep Toning Lotion. It's a toner. So I finished this recently as well, but I have two other bottles of it, one that I just started and then another one, because this is the first and only toner that I've ever used, and I don't want to switch to anything else. And I really, really hope that Benefit doesn't discontinue this product because it really makes a difference on my skin. So anyways, I use this every day, morning and night. So I just finished up this bottle. And that's this video. It's very short and sweet and to the point. Those are all the products that I've either finished completely or hit pan on. So I thought I'd just, give a quick update of my progress so far. And I'll make another one of these next month. So hopefully I can continue to do this on a monthly basis, just sort of giving updates on products that I've finished or products that I've hit pan on. So that's everything. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Loria1. Twitter, just kind of talk about my daily thoughts. And then Instagram is where I'm probably most active. So lots of artsy pictures, some travel photos, and lots of pictures of the food that I eat because I'm one of those people. So if that sounds interesting to you, then please follow me there. And I'll see you in my next video.